Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Good evening. It's the pen from where you're watching me right now. I'm saying thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for great support. So today I have another Ethiopian traditional dance. I really enjoying it. If you want to enjoy it, let's enjoy it together, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Without wasting your time, no too much talking today. Wow. Wow. Hey. Wow. See another dance, oh my God. Hey. Wow. Oh my God. I love this traditional dance. One leg on the front, one leg at the back. This is nice one. I really enjoyed it, man. Wow. Wow. Huh? Huh? Wow. I'm telling you, I really enjoyed this dance. This dance is banging. Oh my God, I love this dance, way.
ይደርሳል ዓመት ጸጋ በረከት ከአምላኩ ታድሎት ጎጃም የገባ ሰው ይኖራል በድለት ጎጃም የገባ ሰው ይኖራል በድለት ገነትን ተክቶ በምድር ላይ የሰራው የአባየ ጣሪያ እናት ጎጃም ባላደራው ገነትን ተክቶ በምድር ላይ የሰራው የአባየ ጣሪያ እናት ጎጃም ባላደራው እየየው መላን እየየው መላን እየየው መላን እየየው መላን ከነበለ ጋር የተወለደ ሰው ከነበለ ጋር የተወለደ ሰው ማልዶ ሁል ጊዜ ነው ሰርግ የሚደግ መድኃኒት የጎጃምን ውበቅ አባይ ማዶ ናልመለስ
Wow, Bill Severin is coming and my computer is shut down. Thank you so much, guys. Let's go.